San Antonio Japanese tea garden. It's an elusive place. So we got down here, and the street that it's on, or the street that you have to take to get there, at least the northbound lane, we were coming from the south, was closed.
Because of spring break.
Yeah, so we're in some ginormous city park here, public park, and trying to make our way over to the tea garden, because this was the closest place to park. So I don't know if we'll get there or not, but at least the park is nice.
Yes, the park is a destination in itself.
Yeah.
So.
And it's right here along the San Antonio River,
Yes.
so it is pretty. But anyway, we're gonna try and find our way over there.
Yeah.
We got to cross back over the river, though, I think, somehow. Is that not the coolest bench ever?
It is very interesting and cool.
What else have we seen? We saw a little thing over there. It was like a gazebo as we were walking by over there. It was kind of the same thing. Pretty cool. I don't know how they do it, but somebody with a lot more talent than me.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Somebody already took a bite out of it.
I
Who's
have
that?
no idea who.
Tried to get some overpriced coffee and a snack. I don't like Starbucks, but their coffee.
Sometimes-
I like Starbucks coffee. It's just expensive.
And a lot of times they're the only option.
Well, yeah, they're definitely the only option down here. This is not bad. Needs more chocolate in it, though. You want another bite?
Sure.
Nope. Are we any closer to finding this place, or what? We almost
Ooh.
fell off the sidewalk.
Yes, we are. I believe we're going to go up those stairs,
Okay.
and it's going to be up there.
This better be worth it.
At least it got us out of the house. And it's pretty down here, and there's lots of interesting things to see. And I don't know if they're open, but there's an animal defense league back there. That's where we saw the pet adoptions. Not that I'm saying we should stop in or anything.
But we should stop in.
Maybe. Japanese tea garden. Told you I'd get you there. What do you say now?
Certainly wasn't expecting this. What do you say now? So I guess it was worth the walk. It was definitely worth the price.
Free.
So we just got here. We haven't really done much. Just kind of took a quick look around, but it's definitely worth the price. This is free.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm guessing in a couple more weeks, it's going to
yeah.
be even prettier because this is just the beginning of spring.
Anyway, was not expecting this. I don't know. I had zero expectations because I did zero research on this place.
Yeah, I was not expecting this. I was expecting more of a botanic garden with more of a Japanese theme,
maybe
Japanese
some
flowers.
What are those things that they make out of paper? Origami stuff or something.
Yeah.
Or was it with lots of candles? But
not expecting.
yeah,
this.
certainly wasn't expecting a waterfall.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what else there is to see.
Yep.
All right, that was definitely worth it was worth free, and it was definitely worth the trek down here.
Yes.
If you're in this area, San Antonio. Again, this is one of the only big cities that we like.
Yeah.
And partly is because it doesn't feel big city sometimes to me.
At least not the section that we have been in.
Yeah, I mean, we were downtown at one point, but it just doesn't. The people don't seem big city people. So we really like San Antonio. Just don't come during spring break because it's really hard to get to.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
No, dude? Huh? All right, the bad part about going to Buc-ee's is no high flow pumps, so this might take a minute. And no def, which I think I could probably use some def right now, but we'll be all right. But hey, $2.82 a gallon, that's pretty good. Now we wait. So I never walk away from the pump when I'm filling up this truck with diesel, because I've had way too many of these pumps not stop soon enough when the tank gets full, and then it just shot out diesel fuel all over the side of my truck. And that's happened at both the big truck stops with, you know, the big high flow pumps, and it's also happened at regular gas stations with the regular low flow pumps. Don't know what it is about these diesels, but that's probably happened to me a handful of times. And then, like I said, I got diesel fuel all over the side of the truck, and so it's just kind of gross. So I don't know, maybe I've just got bad luck. If any of you guys out there ever had that problem where it just kind of doesn't shut off soon enough? I don't know, let me know down in the comments. The other thing I don't like about Buc-ee's is they're so busy, and people are not paying attention when they're driving. They're inconsiderate, you name it. But there's a high concentration of people at these Buc-ee's pretty much every time we go, and it's always frustrating trying to get in and out of these things with a rig, because somebody's always doing something dumb. And then, you know, especially when you got a big rig like this, somebody does something dumb, and then you're kind of sitting out in the middle of nowhere blocking traffic because you can't get where you need to go. That's another good thing about the truck stops. You know, the truckers can be kind of a pain sometimes because they don't always move forward when they're done getting gas, but at least there's not a bunch of other just regular vehicles to deal with. It's not as crowded. And typically, when I know that it's getting close to being full, I sit down here and I listen. Oh, there we go, right there. So this one shut off on its own, so that's good. But I normally just sit there and listen, and I always make it stop when I think it's full. I see a bunch of people. You know, people always like to top off and get every little ounce of gas. Well, I think that's silly. But I always just listen, and when I can tell it's full, I shut it off and I go about my business. All right. Well, that wasn't too bad. So I hate that the bar is this low, but whenever I walk into a restroom, it's always nice when it doesn't smell like urine.
That is always good.
Yeah, all right, you ready for this madness? This is crazy.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
I think this is the busiest I've seen in Buc-ee's, besides maybe that opening weekend.
Which we didn't even go inside.
Yeah, well, that's right, we didn't even go inside, but it was definitely busier on the outside.
Yeah,
so.
There wasn't a line to get into the parking lot, but it's pretty full out there.
It is full. All right, so browse first for a little while, or?
Okay, I already found it.
Oh,
I'm getting my own.
Good. Yeah, stop stealing mine. I'm gonna get some of this.
Dill pickle popcorn.
No, I'm good.
Beer and cheese. Chili limon.
Yeah, I think that's in my future as well.
For our, like when we take wine and stuff to.
Yeah, I don't know about that. That's pretty ugly.
Well, not in that. There you go. A little bit better. Pecan bar.
Yeah, I'm looking at those red velvet whoopie pies.
Uh-huh. Should I get me the...
You gonna get one of those?
Think so?
No. Or do we need a buggy?
Probably a buggy.
Oh, crap. One buggy. All right, I want chocolate. Do you want chocolate or banana? No.
Well, I feel like you want the key lime.
I do not.
You're boring.
Key lime's nasty.
We're sharing one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I vote chocolate.
You vote chocolate?
I vote chocolate.
All right.
All right.
That was somewhat easy.
All right, I'm getting the Texas cheesesteak burrito. What are you getting? What's that?
I'm gonna get that chicken fajita taco.
Okay. What else you got?
They also have sausage on a stick.
Sausage on a stick.
Wrapped in a tortilla.
Sounds good. Get them both.
And the 2 burritos?
Yes.
All right, should we be done?
I'm ready to go. This is crazy.
We do need a spoon.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
That was an experience.
Yeah, I wonder if it's always like that here.
Well, yeah, I'm not sure that this was worth it.
It's gonna be a better lunch than we normally have.
Well, it is, but that was, I mean, I guess, if we just ran in, got our food and ran back out, probably would have been okay.
But we needed to kill time today
Well, that's
anyway,
true.
so
We did
this
need to kill time.
actually kind of worked out.
Well, this is interesting, huh? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm famished.
Yeah, that tomato soup didn't seem to go very far for
Didn't
me.
last long?
No.
Look, your dog's pretty interested. We're gonna have to give him a little snack.
Something, yeah.
So, all right, what kind of sandwich did you get?
I got the 3 meat, sausage, brisket, and turkey.
Okay, and again, I got the Texas cheesesteak burrito because it just sounds delicious. And then we also got the sausage on a stick wrapped in a burrito shell. So that's gonna be tasty. Probably just, I don't know, I just save this
Maybe.
for later tonight. We're only going another half hour. It'll last till we get in and get set up. 7 ounces worth of sausage on a stick. What do you think, buddy? Do you need a little something now? Okay, I'm waiting so patiently back there. 11:30 is his time. That's when he gets, sorry, she left the door open, so there's traffic noise, but that is when he gets his breath mint. We usually try to do it at like 11:30 every day. And sometimes he knows like it's 11:30 and he will start prancing around and looking at us funny, and then that's a reminder that it's 11:30 and he needs his breath mint.
What do you think?
Okay, get back here. Nope, come back
Nope.
here. Wicket.
Go
Come
on.
Wicket.
Nope, go
Come
on.
Get back here. There you go. That's what I've got, huh?
Is it that time? Nope. No, get back there.
Go on.
Go on. Is this what you're ready for?
There you go. He's like, it's past 11:30.
That's right. Sausage on a stick.
Yes, ma'am. 1 meat stick just for you.
One meat stick just for me.
So, I've never eaten a meat stick, so I don't know what to do with this thing. I only nuked it for a minute, so I don't know if it's hot.
Oh my
I don't know.
God,
What's
that's good.
better, a cold meat stick or a hot meat stick?
It needs to be hot.
Is it? Is
Or
it
warm.
Is it not?
It's okay. It's like kielbasa.
Okay.
So
But you didn't even get to the.
I didn't. And I almost wondered, like, I was thinking about it earlier. Do we do ketchup on this?
I don't know.
Do we do honey mustard?
I thought, I was hoping that the tortilla would add something,
Something.
but it doesn't really.
I mean, the tortilla is just an add-on. We paid
Yeah.
for sausage on a stick.
Yeah. I don't think I would get it again.
I don't know.
It's probably because I don't know how much.
$750 worth of.
Oh, we paid $750 for it. No, it's not worth it. So we just got a severe thunderstorm watch on the weather radio.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Caldwell County, east central Hayes County.
Calling for 60-mile-an-hour gusts, and what did it say? Quarter-size hail.
$50.
$50 size hail. So
I said a 1 1/4 inch.
yeah, so we definitely got some hail out there. But I just looked at the radar, and we look to be like it's gonna pass like to the south and southeast of us. So I'm looking out the window. You know, it's pretty calm out there, but you know what they say: calm before the storm, right?
Yeah.
So we just packed a go bag, but I think we're okay based on what the radar's saying and what's going on out there. Your dog is terrified though. He was hiding up underneath the bar.
Oh, poor baby.
So we don't have any tornado watches or anything like that. The wind is expected to come from the south, and we're parked north to south, so that's good. So we're not going to be taking this wind broadside or anything, but I suppose we could lose power though. But we got full EcoFlows.
And I know that several people have posted like go bag essentials. So far we have a flashlight, some snackages, socks and underwear.
A couple of sweatshirts.
Sweatshirts and a blanket. So
And then
besides the leash for the dog, which we're going to grab the dog, and hopefully we'll be able to get the cats, I'm not sure. But and our phones, which we currently have wallet phones or wallet cases, so all of our ID and stuff is on our phones. I mean, I guess the time to think about your go bag is not when you need the go bag. Cheez-Its. Yes. So maybe, because we were like, oh, you know, it won't be that big of a deal when we need it, you know, we'll be okay. Probably the time to think about your go bag is before you need the go bag, because if the bleep hits the fan, you gotta go.
So where's the closest shelter at?
I'm assuming the bathhouse up at the office, which again, find out when you check in. Do you have a storm shelter? If so, where is it? If not, where's the closest one in town if we need to drive?
Yeah. Normally I pick out the storm shelters, but today I didn't really see anything except for the bathhouse.
The bathhouse.
Up there. What do you think? Wow, that was cool.
I love thunder and lightning storms. Growing up in Arizona, I don't know, I just love it. I love the smell of rain, if you know what the smell of rain smells like, and really good lightning, especially when it's horizontal. And this is a pretty good storm.
This is one of the best lightning storms that I've seen in a long time.
Yeah.
Luckily, it did all pretty much pass us up. We got a little bit of hail. I don't think we got anything damaging.
Yeah.
But this is pretty cool.